Welcome to the definitive look at what might be the most ambitious land yacht ever conceived. In a world where luxury is often defined by how much you can fit into a fixed space, we're looking at a machine that challenges that notion by taking the pinnacle of high-end living and putting it on 16 wheels. This is the Alpha Review, and today we are stepping inside a titan of the road that blurs the line between a heavy-duty commercial hauler and a 5-star penthouse suite. When you first approach this vehicle, the sheer scale of it is difficult to process. It sits on a custom-engineered chassis, drawing inspiration from the legendary durability of the Kenworth line, but modified so extensively that it exists in a category entirely of its own. The exterior, finished in a striking high-gloss red and gold livery, demands respect. It's not just a motorhome, it's a statement of engineering prowess. From the massive front grille that breathes life into a high-torque diesel engine to the reinforced rear structure designed to carry the weight of a literal house, every inch of this machine screams capability. But as impressive as the outside is, the true magic happens when you step through the air-sealed entryway and leave the pavement behind. Stepping into the main living area, the first thing that hits you is the silence. Despite being built on a platform designed for the rugged world of freight, the interior is a masterclass in acoustic engineering. The walls are thick, insulated not just for temperature control but to create a sanctuary from the roar of the highway. The flooring underfoot is a warm, deep-grained hardwood that stretches from the cockpit all the way to the master suite at the rear. It's a seamless transition that makes the interior feel significantly larger than the dimensions of a standard trailer would suggest. The layout is designed with a great room concept. To your left, a sprawling L-shaped sectional sofa in a neutral charcoal fabric offers enu. Across from the lounge is the dining and workspace. The table is crafted from solid walnut, anchored to the floor but featuring an expandable leaf for when you're hosting guests. The chairs are upholstered in a light, breathable textile with ergonomic support, acknowledging that this space often serves as a mobile office for the modern nomad. Large, panoramic windows line both sides of the vehicle. These aren't your typical thin RV windows. They are dual-pane, tinted safety glass that offers an unobstructed view of the landscape while maintaining total thermal efficiency. Whether you're parked on a cliffside in Big Sur or deep in the Rockies, the world becomes your wallpaper. Moving deeper into the Alpha, we reach the kitchen, or rather, the galley, though the term feels too small for what's here. This is a chef's kitchen that just happens to be mobile. You have full-sized stainless steel appliances, including a French door refrigerator with an integrated ice maker, a 4-burner induction cooktop, and a convection microwave oven. The countertops are a stunning white marble-effect quartz, providing a durable yet elegant surface for meal prep. Storage is abundant, with custom-milled cabinetry finished in a clean white lacquer on top and dark wood grain on the bottom. Every drawer is soft-close, and every cabinet features magnetic locks to ensure that your fine china stays exactly where it belongs while you're navigating winding mountain passes. The lighting throughout the interior is worth a special mention. It's a multi-layered system that can be controlled via a central touchscreen or a smartphone app. Recessed LED puck lights in the ceiling provide bright, functional illumination, while hidden strip lighting along the kick plates and balances offers a soft, ambient glow for evening relaxation. There's a certain theatrical quality to the way the lights fade in and out, allowing you to set the mood for a dinner party or a quiet night of reading. As we move past the... Finally, we arrive at the master suite. This is the crown jewel of the Alpha Review. The bed is a king-sized memory foam mattress, positioned on a slide-out section that expands the room significantly when parked. The headboard is upholstered in a deep leather, flanked by twin nightstands with integrated wireless charging pads. At the foot of the bed, another television rises from a hidden console, allowing for a private cinema experience. The rear wall of the bedroom features a massive window, giving you a private view of the horizon as you wake up. It's the ultimate expression of luxury, having the world at your doorstep while wrapped in total comfort. Technologically, the Alpha is a marvel. It's powered by a massive lithium-ion battery bank, supplemented by a roof-mounted solar array and a whisper-quiet backup generator. You can run the dual-zone air conditioning, the kitchen, and the entertainment systems for days without ever needing a hookup. The Smart Coach system monitors everything from tire pressure and fuel levels to the temperature of the wine cellar. It's a self-contained ecosystem designed for total independence. The driving experience, while not the primary focus of an interior